Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we will be going over the summary menu, where you will find tools to print, validate, and e-file your returns, as well as to enter the state portion of your return. Once you press the OK button on the bottom right of the line input or forms and schedules screen, you will be taken to the summary menu. The summary menu has tools for finalizing returns. The first section, Summaries and Diagnostics, gives you the option that will display overviews of the return, give you important reminders, and ensure that your return is ready for e-file. Display Summary and Detail Summary provide summaries that break down the return in different ways and provide useful information that can be relayed to your client. Intuitive Diagnostics will display automated advice on commonly overlooked forms and procedures, such as reminding you to print out and review the EIC checklist with your client. Validity Checks lets you check if your return is ready for e-file. We recommend watching our tutorial video that goes over validity checks in more depth. Prior Year Compare will show you a detailed summary of the current tax year as compared to the prior year return if this client was recalled from the prior year. The next section is Print Options, which has tools for printing returns, previewing returns, printing specific forms, and archiving the current return to PDF. There is also an option for Print Setup, which will allow you to adjust how your return is printed, how many of each form should be printed, and allow you to select which printer to print from. For more information on Print Setup, please see our Print Setup tutorial video. Next up is State Entry. These tools allow you to select which states you would like to complete to go along with the federal return. You can enter in multiple states by clicking the Add button under the secondary states, and you can delete states by single-clicking on a state and pressing Delete on your keyboard, or by clicking the Delete button with the state highlighted. On the right-hand column, we have tools for e-filing, as well as some miscellaneous options and data that can be entered. Direct deposit and electronic payment will allow you to enter your client's bank information for direct deposits of refunds or to electronically pay balance dues. Billing information gives you access to what will show up on your client's bill. We have a separate tutorial video that goes over billing information specifically. E-file will take you to the e-file screen where you can print the 8879 and send an e-file of the return. Please watch our tutorial on single e-file for more information on how to e-file a return. Return status allows you to change your status on the return for easier organization. Of note is the complete and locked status, which will prevent further editing of the return. If you ever enter a return that is complete and locked, you will see almost all input fields are colored gray and you cannot edit them. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have some quick navigation options to take you back to basic information, forms and schedules, line input, and to exit the return entirely. Pressing the OK button on the bottom right of the screen will also exit the return. This concludes the summary menu tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing Taxware.